Guys, there's something wrong with my cat. He's been sitting on the same couch all the time, and he does not look too good. He's like, he's been looking sad like that. He has not been looking too well lately. So 1 like equals 1 prayer for Specs. And let's just all say hope you feel better, Specs, in the comments down below. 1 subscriber equals not only 1 like and 1 subscribe. 1 click on the subscribe button equals 1 prayer for Specs. Hope you get well soon, Specs. Bye, guys.